Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. There was a plea seeking a release of answer key and question paper and allowing re-evaluation for NEET PG 2021, and the Supreme Court directed a notice to NV to release the answer key for 2021 examination. The matter started from a group of around 1,000 candidates approached Supreme Court, and just to ask them to release the answer key, since there are a lot of candidates and the number of those candidates is really high and higher than 1,000, and many of them have called me also. They were expecting the marks around 4,450 or approx 500 plus, but after the result is announced they got less than 400 or 350 marks. So they are under so much of stress. I believe some of you candidates are also falling under that criteria, that you got much lesser marks than expected. So they have reached out to Supreme Court to ask NB to release the answer key. Okay, and after the answer key is released, so in Supreme Court, in a notice on Friday, issued a notice to NV to release the question paper and answer key of the candidates. Okay, so that the candidates can match their answers, and if they are really sure that they have marked correct answer, they can go for revaluation or rechecking also in case of any discrepancy in their score. And this decision was given by bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and V. Nangaratha. Okay, so let me tell you some more details, and then we'll come to some conclusion that where it's leading to, how it's going to impact the entire counseling process, and how much delay we can expect. This is very serious issue. All of us are doctors, and there are 16 lakhs under UG candidates sit for NEET UG, that is MBBS, while 1.75 lakhs approx, that is less than 10%, who are all doctors already and who take participation in NEET PG 2021. They are following a completely different system for us. We are not allowed to keep the question paper. You are allowed to keep the question paper for NEET UG 2021, but not for NEET PG 2021. And you are not shown the answer sheet. The answer key is not uploaded. That's the fact. The answer key is not uploaded, and we have no idea that how many questions were right and wrong. So they are looking for all those information to be released publicly. Okay, the question bank for PG is very limited. Okay, while for UG is very large, and if it's disclosed for PG, the sanctity of the examination process will suffer if question paper is disclosed. So and then all the coaching center will be unclear. There will be also a debate on whether the answer is correct or not. There will be a challenge to that. Is the statement added by the Supreme Court Justice. If the answer key is uploaded, the sanctity of the answer is called into question. So ultimately, what is going to happen, I will tell you. The answer key will be released on the official website of NV, and you will be able to match, okay, whether you have marked correct answer or wrong, and based on that you are also allowed to challenge for re-evaluation, because the number of such candidates is huge this year, and that can further lead into further delay of NEET PG 2021 counseling process. This is just one matter, and the second matter is still pending in Supreme Court, that is related to reservation policy that got that came into picture after like within the 4 months of gap was there after the exam postponement. During that period it came into the picture, and for the same the NB had given a duration to change your category in order to get benefited out of the new reservation policy. But a group of people have made a plea against it. Okay, so that decision is still pending, and the Supreme Court has adjourned the decision until 21st of October. So until 21st October, there is no chance of the All India or MCC counseling to start. And at the other hand, this revaluation case or like a question and answer key will be published on NV. Then what further step will be taken from the candidate side. That's also in kind of like it's not very clear. So these two factors can lead to further delay in the process, and we can expect that by end of this month October we are not in very good situation or good shape to have the centralized counseling process started. We already have some state level counseling registration for Pondicherry, and Tamil Nadu state counseling has already started, and many of the candidates have registered also, but the result will be pending, and they have mentioned in their prospectus to be notified, and it will be pending due to All India counseling process. So there will be further delay, and we will keep you on posting on such activities. Once the answer key is available on the official website, we will post on that. So be in touch with us, and we connected with NEET Mentor channel. If you want to go ahead with our paid counseling guidance, you can choose to go with that also. In the description we have put some important ebooks where you can find last year cutoff and tuition fee details and bond details and all such things for all the colleges in deemed university, for DNB hospitals, and for open state counseling process. Okay, so you can have a look at those also. And so until then we will limiting our session with this matter only, and we will get back to you in the next video with some other updates. So thanks for watching and have a great day.